Hi everyone, welcome again to another episode of Easy and Delicious. Today I'll be showing you a simple shrimp curry. For this recipe, you don't have to grind any masalas. This recipe is done so quickly that you're in and out of the kitchen in no time. So let's take a look. Come on.
As I said, we don't have to make any masala paste. No need to saute the garlic and ginger, just mix. The main gravy is with the onion and tomatoes. Adding salt at this time will fasten the cooking process. Saute and cook until these are soft and mushy. Try to mash with the back of the spoon for a smooth gravy. Now for the dry spices. Green chilies and red chili powder depends on how spicy you like, so add more or less as per your liking. We will now cook these spices for the flavors to mix. Cook on low flame so that the spices don't burn. I keep mashing in between for a smooth curry. Try to use thick coconut milk so that the curry is rich and creamy. The aroma of the spices has filled my kitchen and it's so tempting. I prefer to add hot water and adjust the consistency as per how thick or thin curry you like. We will now half cover the pot to release some oil. Cook on medium flame. Wow, looks great already. This gravy can be used for potatoes also. Here I have jumbo shrimp and you can always use any that are easily available. Some coriander leaves while cooking will give a lovely flavor to the curry. This is one of my family's favorite curry base and I use it for a lot of other recipes too. Now again, half cover and cook on medium flame until the shrimp is soft. Check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now if the shrimp cuts easily, then it's cooked. This took about 6 minutes. Now final garnish and we are ready to serve the shrimp curry. Looks amazing, don't you think? So quick and easy. Thanks for watching.
Now previously I've shown a lot of shrimp recipes. So I have posted some of the links below. So take a look and see if you like any of those. Try to make them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And new recipes are posted every week. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified with any new recipe that I post every week. And if you like this recipe, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up, show some love, and I'll see you next week. Bye.